Hi everyone, my name is Olubukola Agboola and I'm popularly known as Olubukola. In this video, I'm going to be talking on how to access GPT-4 for free without using ChatGPT Plus. As we all know, GPT-4 is the advanced update of ChatGPT, and it brings a whole new level of possibilities for businesses. For you to have access to ChatGPT, one has to have access to the paid plan of the ChatGPT, which is the ChatGPT Plus, and this will cost you $8 per month. But in this video, I'll be showing you how you can have access to ChatGPT-4 without paying a dime. So if this is something you'd like to have access to in order to improve your productivity, whether as a business owner, a writer, or a career, you may have this video is for you. As you know, GPT-4 is the advanced update of ChatGPT, and it brings a whole new level of possibilities for businesses. We will explore the benefits of ChatGPT and why every business owner needs AI tools like this to enhance their productivity. Towards the end, we will see how we can access GPT-4 for free. So let us dive in. Before we go into the full details of how we can access ChatGPT-4 for free, let's first of all check out some of the advantages of GPT-4. GPT-4 represents a significant leap forward in AI technology, and here are few benefits that it offers. The first one is its enhanced language understanding. GPT-4 demonstrates a remarkable understanding of natural language, allowing it to generate more coherent and contextually relevant responses. This advancement in GPT-4 over ChatGPT results in more effective communication and engagement with users. Improved content retention. GPT-4 possesses a better memory and can maintain context over longer conversations. This means it can provide more accurate and consistent responses, making interactions feel more seamless and natural. Another benefit of GPT-4 is its expanded knowledge base. With GPT-4, access to a vast amount of information is just a few keystrokes away. It can tap into an extensive knowledge base, providing users with reliable and up-to-date information on a wide range of topics. Now, let us see how we can access GPT-4 for free without ChatGPT Plus. If we want to access GPT-4 for free, we need to enter on your browser chat forefront.ai. Chat dot forefront.ai. Let's wait for it to load. Good. So as you can see, it's an advanced GPT-4 is an advancement of ChatGPT. In order to have access, let's try and sign up. So I'm clicking on the sign up button. So we need to create an account. So if you have a Gmail account, advise you to create an account with a Gmail. But as for me, I will be putting a different detail in order to sign up for an account. So first name Olubukola, last name Agboola. Then my email. Okay, says the phone number. The phone number is optional, so let me leave that. So click on continue. We've been set a verification link. Let me check my email so that I can verify. My verify. Okay, so front your sign-in link. So let me verify here. Good. So sign in to Forefront Chat. It says sign in to let's click on the sign in to Forefront Chat so that we can verify the sign up from our email. Okay. So let's wait for the account to load. Let's wait for the account to load. Okay, it says let's quickly run through welcome Olubukola. Can you see welcome Olubukola? Let's quickly run through how Forefront works. At the heart of Forefront, chats like this one, where you can ask questions, assign tasks, or have conversations. The chat bar below is where you will send the chats. Okay, so this is for someone who does not have experience with GPT-4. So let's click on next to see. Okay, my chats. Let's just click on next. You need to see the different personas. Say personas are chatbots with unique personalities and capabilities. We just set up a default persona called helpful assistants. Feel free to add some others now, or create your own later. So it has a different personnel you can choose. For example, if you are a digital a marketer or something, go next. Okay, so finish. So as you can see, that's a marketing manager. So let's now imagine you want to use the ChatGPT-4. You can create a new chat here and type whatever message you want GPT-4 to generate for you. So this is all I'm going to go for now. In another video, I may create how to use and access GPT-4 properly. So GPT-4 is a game changer for businesses, and getting lifetime access without ChatGPT Plus is within your reach. By exploring chat.forefront.ai, you can unlock the benefits of GPT-4 without additional cost. Instead of paying $8 per month in order for you to have access to GPT-4, you can use this method to have access to GPT-4 for free for life. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.